What's up, everybody? About to start working on the car right now. I gotta get it ready for tomorrow so I can get it all primered. The front has like a few little dents in it I'm gonna try to fix from driving so much, and then just a little bit of work I gotta do in the back just to finish that up. And then I'll probably end up just like blocking all the sides, making sure it's all smooth, nothing's on there, stuff like that. So I think that's mainly all I have to do, so it's ready for tomorrow. Alright, so I put a bunch of little things of Bondo on all the tiny little cracks that got on the car already. So when it dries, you should feel them. And then I also bought some paint. I don't think I've told you guys that yet. This is what I got right here. I think that's the reducer. This is the clear. And then this is the paint I got. I guess I got the Hyundai. It is cherry red. And then whatever this is. So it's gonna be a flat red. We're gonna be testing it out. If I like it, then this is the color I'm going with. But if not, then I'll be going with a different color.
Hey, my car still drives like a beast.
They hit a bird.
You're nasty. You got issues. You better take it out.
Actually, I took a picture of it.
Apparently, I gotta take the bird out, but I didn't hit it.
Take the bird out. I don't
They make the mess, and I gotta clean it.
No,
Clean
if
it,
there's
just take it
blood,
out.
if there's blood and guts, you gotta hit the spray bottle.
So I already started blocking all the sides down. I don't know if you can tell. All this right here, look, stand it. Compare to this side, right here. Boom. But I'm gonna need you guys to pause the video, because I gotta know if you guys like the chrome or not. Yes or no? Chrome? No chrome? Because when I'm done blocking the sides, I'm gonna be doing the chrome too. The chrome's gonna get painted. There's gonna be no more chrome. And I think we're gonna be marbleizing all the chrome. Getting the car ready for primer. Yo, what's up, everybody? My dad's finished primering my car, and he painted the hood to test out the color I got. But I don't think it fully dried, cause the paper he was using kind of got stuck to the car. As you can see right here. So I don't know how it's gonna look when I pull it off. But this is the whole car. It looks white more than it does look gray. Like, I don't know if it's gonna turn gray or if it's just gonna stay being white. And then like here's the red. We went with the flat, but I don't know if that looks too flat to you guys. And we threw some flake in it. I don't know if you guys can see the flake. But right now we're going to pull it out, and then tomorrow we'll probably have another look at it to see how it looks in the sun. But this is what we got so far. Yo, so it's the next day. We're gonna be checking out the car right now. And I talked to my dad. I guess he said he just used a different color primer this time. So that's why it's white. Because last time he used the gray one. But we're gonna go check it out, see how it looks in the sun. So we still got some more work to do on the front bumper. It ended up cracking more. About right here. And right here. So I'm gonna fix some more cracks that came up on it. But I don't know if it's gonna keep cracking. If it keeps cracking, we're gonna end up having a problem. Might have to end up getting a new bumper because I don't want to paint it and it, you know, just cracks on me again. And then I think that's mainly about it. And just like fixing all this right here where all the paper got stuck. More or less we should be good. Doesn't need too much work anymore. And then we'll probably just block the car down and then throw another coat of primer before we paint it. And then we still gotta do some more work to the roof, which we'll probably end up doing next weekend. But yeah, I think that's it for today. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Don't forget to like and subscribe though.